Banka ya Opportunity niyebire banka yo kubanza kwegura itaje mu kampeji kandi nabagira ngo batwarira kireka rukumara okutongoza itaje ryabo.
We had already opened a branch an Opportunity Bank branch in Napa Valley, really passionate about serving the refugees there. And so when we came to Rwanda, we realized that there were, 100,000 refugees that were really in need of financial inclusion and access to finance, especially the women. And so we're really proud to open the branch today. It's a real milestone after a lot of people have put in a lot of effort.
Aba Opportunity Banka nabagira ngo bine bigenderwa byo kwera impunji eziri kurengo mitwari 13 mu kampo ya Rwamwanja batine kujonjora kona.
Chairperson of the board, I am proud to witness this, especially as we commemorate the 30 years of Opportunity Bank being in Uganda. Today's launch is not just about opening a new branch. It is a testament of our collective dedication to making a meaningful difference in the lives of refugees and host communities alike.
Manja twajigura okuyamba abantu abali mu Rwamanja n'abantu abakire abatozerwa becyaro kureba mu mwena basa kugura account mu bike mwesente zanyu kandi umwana wendaza aroni nazo tuzibahereze bona ngo abahingi bahinge abakore byo bushubuzi bashubure.
Umukoro gugukirwa habebembezo ku rugahande ngo zitarukushana n'abakozi ba government kandi okwemurika n'emizano nabyo tebibuzireho.
Having a bank is so important and brings about development in the area. And I thank my predecessor, Chitaka Timos, for having this initiation and allowing Opportunity Bank to have a branch here.
Abatura bino kwesima habo buherezo boreserwe omushweka cyabo.
We're excited to see the impact this will have on the communities that we serve, the refugees, now that the services are closer to the community.
Opportunity Bank negira ngo yasi amataja 25 kandi obuherezo buboro no mu kampo y'empunji eya na Kivale gasha kwa Anthony Twine.